auto, home, life, and business insurance. Since it's all realtors, mortgage people, and title, I'm going to talk about the two worst words that you guys can probably think. This is not one of them, but delayed closing, and how an insurance delayed closing and how we can avoid that. So I've done this example once or twice before, I think. So the sales price of the house was $500,000, which means the requirement by the bank is 80%, which is $400,000. Now, if you live and work in Northern Virginia, like everybody here is, we all know that it doesn't really probably cost that much to rebuild that house for $400,000. We're not rebuilding school districts, the church across the street, or anything like that, or Fairfax County. We don't have to worry about that. So the replacement cost that we estimated for the house, that the appraisal estimated for the house, and then another insurance company estimated for the house, were all really close at $270,000. The client is a former military member and was really comfortable with the insurance company that deals specifically with military people. We'll try not to mention them by name. So they went to closing. They got the insurance documents over to the mortgage company a little later than they would have liked to, and said, wait, 270 does not meet our requirement. So what does that mean? That meant that the mortgage company then said, you need to up it to 400,000. So they had to call the insurance company, change that, which inevitably changed the price or the premium on the insurance quote. That then went back to the underwriting with the mortgage company, and it threw out their debt to income ratio, and now it wasn't all good to go. So they had to go back to underwriting. Where we can avoid all of that problem is we have guaranteed replacement costs, which means when we say that we estimate your house will be $270,000 to rebuild, if something happens and takes out all of Alexandria, and now construction costs are through the roof, labor, materials, everything, and now winds up costing us $750,000 to rebuild your house, it doesn't matter. Guaranteed replacement cost means you get your 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom house with a finished basement and an attached garage. That is a way to avoid this. These people still have not closed. We're back in the game now, working on getting them switched over, but the closing was delayed, and that was really good timing. So if you have any questions about that, please contact me or Jack. We would be happy to help anything. Thank you.
Awesome. How awesome was that?